Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a copy of your territory group. So you've drawn some territories from the territory tool. You've created those, and now you want to make a copy because you want to edit one while not disturbing the other. So we're going to choose, in this case, load save territory group, and I'm just going to put one of mine on the map, and of course you have the choice of those fills. I'm going to say default. Once it's on the map, and we can zoom in to see those, you're going to come in to the territory tool itself, and in the three dots you'll find copy territory group. Name that territory group and hit copy. Now you've got a copy of it on your map, and edits to this will not edit the original Arizona territories. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.